segment DF intersects the side AC of triangle ABC at point E, such that E is the midpoint of side AC. E is the midpoint of side AC, and angle AEF is equal to angle AFE. Then prove that BD upon CD is equal to BF upon CE. Okay, now in this example, here two important statements are here. Which are those two important statements? First one is given. What is given? See here. See this. Point E. See this. Point E is the midpoint of side AC. E is the midpoint of side AC. Means we write here. See this. AE is equal to C. When E is the midpoint of side AC, then AE is equal to C. And we have also given angle AEF is equal to angle AFE. This is given. Then second part, that is to prove. See this. Prove that what is BD upon CD is equal to BF upon C. Okay. Now we use this given like bridge, ladder, lift, staircase for our convenience to prove this. Okay. Now without construction we cannot prove this. So we write construction, that is also for our convenience to prove this. What is this construction? Draw segment. See this. Draw segment CG parallel side or segment side DF. Did you get it? Without construction we cannot solve this. Okay, then our important part, proof. Proof. Now in triangle, see here, in triangle BDF series, in triangle BDF, CG parallel DF. Therefore, by Thales theorem, or we say by basic proportionality theorem. Therefore, by basic proportionality theorem, or we also say Thales theorem. What is basic proportionality theorem? BC upon CD. See this, BC upon CD. BC upon CD in triangle BDF. BC upon CD is equal to BG upon GF. BG upon GF. Did you get it? Now by componendo we want BD here and BF here. So by componendo componendo. You have studied this in 9th standard, ratios and proportion. Now, means in componendo we add this denominator in numerator. Denominator in numerator. Therefore, BC plus CD upon CD is equal to, same way to the right side, BG plus GF upon GF. Did you get it? Now BC plus CD. BC plus CD means BD upon this CD as it is. Did you get it? Is equal to, here BG plus GF. BG plus GF means BF, total BF upon GF. Did you get it up to this? This is equation number 1. Very, very important equation. Now we use this. Okay. Now we have given AE is equal to C. AE is equal to C. Okay. Before that we use this also. Therefore, see here, we write here angle AEF. Angle AEF is equal to angle AFE. This is given. Okay, this is given. Now see this. Angle AEF is equal to angle AFE. Therefore, by converse of an isosceles triangles theorem. If angles are congruent, then opposite sides are also congruent or their lengths are equal. Here equal. So we write equal. Then see AF. Therefore, AF is equal to AE, opposite sides. AE. This is our equation number 2. Now see here, we have given, or else AE is equal to CE, or we write this way, CE is equal to AE. This is given from 2 and 3. From 2 and 3. LHS are same, RHS are same, so LHS are also same or equal. Therefore, AF is equal to C. This is equation number 4. Very, very important equation. Okay, now see this. In triangle ACG, in triangle ACG, E is the midpoint of side AC. Now listen carefully. E is the midpoint of side AC and CG parallel to DF. CG parallel to side DF. CG parallel to DF. Then CG parallel to EF. EF and CG parallel to EF. CG parallel to EF. Therefore, by converse of midpoint theorem, ninth standard theorem, midpoint theorem. What is converse of midpoint theorem? Now in triangle ACG, E is the midpoint of side AC and CG parallel to EF, then F is the midpoint of side AG. F is the midpoint of side AG. Therefore, F is the midpoint of side AG. Did you get it? If F is the midpoint of side AG, then we write AF. See that F is the midpoint, then AF is equal to GF or FG. AF is equal to GF. So write here GF. Did you understand? Example, equation number 5. From 4 and 5. From 4 and 5. From these two equations, see here, AF same, left hand sides are same, equal. Therefore, right hand sides also equal. Therefore, GF is equal to C. Did you get it? Now, see this, GF is equal to C. We have proved. Now we put this value of GF in equation number 1. Therefore, substituting in equation 1 at GF, then we get or we obtain, we put here, therefore BD upon CD is equal to BF upon, instead of GF we put there C. This is our to prove. Did you get it?